joining Clint Escamis, JC Recto, Igliane, and Concepcion. At para naman si Silvia Bonchavo, Kinal, Shanoda, Oman, Omandak, and Jude Bagay. Here we go, live from the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City. It's Mapua versus EAC. Unang possession, mapupunta sa Generals. I remember the last game, Nico Kinal, the first play was for him, and he took the first shot and made it. Kaya lang, na-depensahan siya ni Clinton. Kalyangan with a steal. Ito na si Escamis. Escamis. Kalyangan. Igliane. Concepcion. Icy. To Clint. Clint with a reverse layup. Recto. Put back is good for JC Recto.
Grabe to si Recto na to. Talaga is always on the ball. Every time there's a shot taken, pumapasok siya. Hindi selfing Indiane. Hindi lang parati nagde-defense siya sa big man nila.
Shanoda, baseline jump hook is good.
Tons, iba na nilalaro ni Shanoda every time. Pag na talagang kumpiyansa na siya tumira ngayon sa mga floaters.
Igliane, nagpababa ng bola. Binigay dito kay Clint. Concepcion, bounce pass to Recto. Recto on the move. Igliane from the corner. Andre Igliane.
Medyo masyadong malayo yun para for Omandak. Pero the moment tumama na yan, he's a shooter already. I'm sure binibigay nila yung outside shot kay Igliane.
And coach, that was the first made three of the season for Andre Igliane. He was 0 for 3 prior to that conversion. Recto. Pass deflected by Ochavo. Mananatili ang bola sa panig ng Mapua.
Yeah, good rotation coming from Ochavo. He knows there will be a corner pass. So, ayun na, good vision coming from the starting guard.
JC Recto averaging 9.6 points per game. Second on the team in scoring. Escamis with a miss. Kalyangan spins back to Clint. Clint to JC. JC for 3.
JC Recto 3.
Sabi si Recto, JC Recto, ibang-iba na ang role niya dito sa Mapua Cardinals. Hindi na lang siya role player last year when they won the championship. Ngayon talagang sa scoring, na siya, tumutulong din.
Kinal missing on that long ball, and there'll be a bonus free throw. Let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Flo Del Agua.
Anton and Coach Jerry, big news for the side of the EAC Generals today. Wilmar Octana won't be present for today's match as he is suffering from an allergic attack combined with fevers, as confirmed by the assistant coach Joseph Guion. Now, Wilmar usually starts for the Generals, but because of this news, Oman Omandak now joins the first group. When I spoke to Omandak earlier about being in this team, sabi niya sa akin, sumugal talaga ako dito sa EAC dahil one and done lang ako dito. So chances like this where he gets to start for the team may be small for others, but Omandak says, I'm ready for this big opportunity. Back to you, gentlemen.
And here is Omandak scoring and shooting the bonus, pero malaking balita yon na shinare sa atin ni Flo, Coach Jerry, dahil Wilmar Octana, #1 scorer, allergic attack, not playing today. He's averaging 13.8 points per game and 4.5 rebounds per outing.
Medyo masakit yan kasi saan mo hanapin yung 13 points per ball game, di ba? So everyone has to pitch in sa opensa. Pero mukhang napuruan dito si Shanoda. Medyo ngayon nowadays, Ton, the moment a player goes up to the basket, minsan hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na pa-layup yun. Minsan fake lang yun eh. And set up para sa Eurostep nila eh.
So napaaga yung talon. Kumagat si Jacob Shanoda sa fake. Concepcion good on the first. Cyrus Netura is now in for JC Recto as Concepcion sinks both free throws.
Medyo wala masyadong pressure sa backcourt. Talagang execution talaga on defense ang gusto tignan ng mga coaches dito. Kung sinusunod ba yung mga defensive schemes nila.
Bagay. Oh, errant pass. Apologizing to the bench.
Medyo may miscom doon. Kinyal was looking for parang a backdoor. Bagay. Good Bagay. Pero ito, 2-1 press agad. Doon.
Netura. Concepcion. Aatake. Yap, Concepcion. Could not finish. Netura missing. Ito na si Ochavo. Ochavo to Oman. Bounce pass to Bagay. Bagay against Netura. Two lefties going at it. Bagay short. Igliane with the board. Escamis. Escamis accelerates. Escamis shovel pass. Netura misses. Concepcion does not.
Concepcion.
Yan ang mahirap talaga. Pag-uwing mo, lalaki.
And the EAC Generals call a timeout. Mapua is ahead 12-7. Yam Concepcion, one of the best at scoring from second chance opportunities.
Yan ang magaganda. Yung malalaki na, mahahaba na, and they can run off a break. Kaya talagang it's gonna be a good fight. Kailangan talaga i-outwork mo itong mga lineup nitong Mapua.
Yam Concepcion, 6'4" from Pasig City. Ochavo. Kinal saving it to the wrong man. No, Mapua's defense. That has been the catalyst here in this game. Inside pass, and Igliane will head to the line for two.
Foul number 3, Olano Mandan. Substitution of Leo Lucero for Kyle Ocampo.
Leo Lucero coming in for the first time.
Genoda.
Jello Loristo checking in as well, as is EJ Castillo.
EJ Castillo for Nico Kinal.
Yes, medyo nahihirapan si Kinal sa press break. Kaya medyo hindi nila natatawid on time. Ayaw na nilang nagpalit kaagad si Coach sa Gerson para hindi na sila mamroblema sa press break.
Igliane good on the first. Igliane missing on the second. Lucero. Wild pass.
Dalawang beses na toton. Press break. You cannot beat up a zone press by long passes eh. Kailangan ng passes mo lang, puro lateral pass. If there's an opportunity, you can cross it. Itatawid mo.
The assistant coach Noy Catalan was telling him to dribble, talking about Lucero. Lucero with a steal.
Ayun. Nakabawi si Lucero ron because of hustle. Okay lang minsan nagkakamali pero importante sa bata, sa player, bumabawi on defense.
Castillo. offensive foul on
Medyo hinabol niya yung screen doon. They all trap eh. Yung Mapua, ball screens, they trap.
Calyangan. Calyangan to Escamis. Escamis. Stolen away by EAC. Jello Loristo diving to save that ball. So EJ Sapasap and Cyrus Cuenco are in along with the 6'8" Drex de los Reyes.
Oh, nagdagdag sila ng ng interior presence. Ayun.
Now, tanong dito, Coach, who's gonna run the point for Mapua?
Yeah. I think si Cuenco gagwardya dito.
Now, another thing, Coach, is EAC does not have a true center. So will they try to exploit that with their 6'8" big man?
Well, siguro mas more on paiikutin nila yung bola. And good thing, hindi naman masyadong hinahanap ng Mapua yung big man nila eh.
Ayan na, De Los Reyes, yun lang.
Medyo kulang pa. Kulang pa si De Los Reyes. Medyo palamig pa.
Tsaka nakita natin, Coach, sumona agad itong EAC.
Oo.
Dahil lang lumaki itong Mapua.
Ano yan, kahit pa paano, merong intimidation eh. Pag nakakita ka ng malaki doon, nag-iiba yung tira mo eh. It's either you use your floater or medyo fade away eh. Or step back, step side.
Loristo. Lucero. Mostanes. Angeles mula sa kanto. Brian Angeles making an impact.
Minsan ang gandang decoy yun ton eh, no?
Oh, Loristo with a block on Nitura. Ito na si Lucero. Lucero! Wow! Wraparound by Deo Lucero.
Ginawang cones. Oh? Dalawa-dalawa inilusutan.
Generals are on a run.
They're very potent when it comes to playing zone. They use it so well. Itong EAC Generals, itong pinaka-default nila eh. Pagka medyo hindi sila umuubra sa tao-tao, ayan, yung depensa ng zona. Matibay sila dyan. Yun, oh.
The wraparound by Deo Lucero. Sheesh!
Wow. Kanting.
Lucero throws it out. Postanes, Angeles, another one!
Beautiful. Ganda. Grabe recognition. Ay, from Postanes to Angeles. Alam niya, tumama ton eh. Alam niya, tumama eh. Binalikan niya kagad. Yun ang good recognition. Kahit mga bata itong mga EAC Generals, nakakapagbasa.
Lucero throwing it out. Postanes extra pass to Angeles. That's his second triple of the game. Ganda ng ball movement, Coach.
Yes, suabe. Talaga makita mo talaga na nakikita nila yung mga roles ng bawat isa.
Cuenco for three. Still ice cold. Cyrus. Oh! Drex de los Reyes.
Ayan, nagalit.
There you go. Let's see kung magigising itong Mapua sa dakdak ni Drex. Drex was too far out there.
Yes, nabigla siya ron. Sobrang inanahan sa trap. Ayun, medyo nabutas yung gitna.
Unleash the D-Rex. Drex de los Reyes, 6'8", with a jam. Lucero drains the first.
Nakita mo yung full of confidence yung team ng ano ngayon, EAC Generals. Makita mo. They're grabe yung focus nila. Mukhang magzo-zone press itong EAC Generals. Pero naka-4 small itong lineup ng ngayon. Mapua Cardinals.
Lucero sinks the free throw. Cuenco to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes back to Cyrus. Recto with a finger roll.
Galing talaga si Recto. You know, yung mga especially yung mga passing the middle, he's a good cutter.
Let's take a look at EJ sa pass-up. Recto, power dribble and finger roll. Recto's got 7 points in this game. Mapua calls a timeout. We are tied at 17. Alright, balikan natin itong nangyari dito. Lucero was shaken up after this. Foul was called.
Parang na-headbutt doon no?
Tatamaan. So, regular foul was called. Ang problema para sa Mapua, coach, nasa penalty na sila.
Yes.
Kaya 2 free throws to para kay Lucero.
Lots of time. Pwede nilang exploit yan. Penalty.
Still 2 minutes and 44 seconds remaining here in the first.
Ganda ng ball movement ng EAC Generals now But syempre, dito naman sa Mapua Cardinals with Cuenco inside the court. Talagang he's a good good creator para sa mga teammates niya.
Second free throw is good for Deo, so lead goes back to EAC. Gonzalez. Cuenco to sa pass-up. Sa pass-up block by Loristo, but Recto was there for the putback.
Grabe productivity ni Cuenco. Ni Recto. Talagang alam mo, pag nag-miss
Lucero. Gonzalez. Mapua's #1 scorer. Gets stripped by Castillo. Castillo. Step through does not work. Sapasap. Blocked again by Loristo.
Inaabangan na niya si Sapasap.
Jello Loristo has 2 blocks already in this game.
And that's the way to do it, Abangan mo sa board. Hindi sa baba, sa taas. Talaga sa board hinahanap ni Loristo. Pero makita mo sinisid si Loristo ngayon ni Drex.
Gonzalez. Postanes with a deflection. Lucero. Lucero. One-handed floater is good for Lucero. Recto. Lucero with another steal. Lucero has been a pest in this game. Angeles to Castillo. Castillo in and out. And Lucero hit the deck. Mahirap na tira, coach.
Oo, yung sudden floater. Mahirap talaga yun. Lalo na coming from a full speed medyo, it's a weapon for guards. Kung you have that kind of shot. Pero medyo tinamaan ata dito si Lucero.
Let's investigate.
Oo, kay Cuenco.
Oh, it was De Los Reyes.
De Los Reyes. Ano sabi?
Here's a closer look, Coach Jerry. Watch De Los Reyes and Lucero. Unsportsmanlike foul called on De Los Reyes.
Yes, medyo talagang listo mga referees natin dyan.
All right, so we received word that Coach, kinurot daw ni Lucero si De Los Reyes.
Oh, baka nakyutan.
Kaya gumanti si Drex ng ganon. Ang sneaky nung kurot, Coach Jerry, hindi ko nakita.
Oo, masyadong mabilis eh.
Hindi ko nakita yung kurot sa replay. Pero, syempre yung pangalawang attack, yung laging nahuhuli ng referee. Pero nakita din nila sa review.
Oo. Alam mo, syempre dito, medyo grabing physicality ng mga boys. Eh. Talagang must win for Mapua Cardinals plus ang EAC naman. They're on a roll. Ayaw rin naman nila. Gusto nilang kunin yung nila, panalo. So,
okay. Again, another investigation. Let's open it up. What? Oh! Ayun. Nakita ko na.
oh, yes.
Thank you, Direk Abet Ramos, for replaying that. Nakita na natin, Coach. Kinurot nga. Coach, why do players do that? Because we hear stories time and time again na kinukurot ng mga players, yung ibang players sa court. Bakit ba ginagawa yun?
Maraming ganyan talaga. I don't know, for whatever reason. Sometimes medyo they try to, get into your head. Baka mapikon ka. They scratch you, they grab you, they pull your shirt. Lahat na, sabi mo. Medyo kailangan itali mo yung shorts mo na matindi. Or sometimes jersey, shorts.
Lazarte is now in. Escamis is also back.
Grabing hassle ng EAC Generals dito.
Yeah, that's the main reason why they're ahead right now. Lucero, wild shot. Recto to Concepcion. Concepcion, alam na shot blocker itong si Loristo, Coach.
Yes, kita niya rin. Nakatawa si Loristo eh. Nakita niya, pag tinira mo, huli ka boy.
Igliane. Recto. Offensive rebound by JC. Recto. Oh, Concepcion was not ready.
Oo, sayang yun.
Lucero. Castillo. Castillo spins. Castillo breaks free. EJ Castillo.
Suabe for a rookie. Yan ang mga moves na makikita nyo sa NCAA.
Two-time Juniors Mythical 5-member EJ Castillo. A brigadier, now a general. And Clint Escamis with a chance to get on the board.
Pero you can see Clint Escamis now, pero ini-involve niya yung mga teammates niya eh. Siguro pwede natin sabihin, he didn't start strong, pero makita mo, ini-involve na lahat yung mga players. from Recto, Concepcion, yung mga big guys nga, sila.
Tsaka dumedepensa, Coach.
Yes, so,
Clint was denying Kinal.
kaya niya naman umiscore along the way pero yung mga iba, syempre iba yung mga rookies na kailangan niya alalayan.
Yun ang isang bagay na napansin ko kay Clint as we see the bench scoring. Huge disparity. EEC, big reason why they're ahead right now. Clint has taken initiative to defend the opposing team's best player. In the San Beda game, start of the contest, he was guarding Jonty Miller. And that's very taxing for a player, Coach, as Castillo misses on that floater.
And the N1 and EAC Generals supply to 23.
The rookie Calyangan gets helped up as we end the first quarter. The Generals lead the Cardinals 23-21. We are live from the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City. This is NCAA Season 101 Basketball. Don Rojas, Jericho De Miera, and Flo Del Agua, your broadcast team for our first game on this Tuesday. The Generals lead the Cardinals 23-21. EAC playing without their leading scorer, Wilmar Oftana, who is out with allergies. Lucero leading the way with 7 points. Angeles with 6.
Don, back to zone ang EAC Generals.
Escamis for 3. Escamis misfiring. Concepcion with a putback.
Talagang will never go wrong pag sa rebounding. Pag ang wings mo, dalawa, 6'3", 6'4", dalawa lang babagsak ang bola yan. Concepcion or Iliane or Ditura.
Tolentino, suffocating defense by the Cardinals, but recovered here. Angeles titira mula sa labas. That's the third triple of the game for Brian Angeles.
Tsaka Ton, kahit matagal siya hindi pinasahan, makita mo hindi siya demanding sa bola, pero once na pinigay mo, money in the bank. Sabi nga nila.
Hindi ka mapapahiya.
Oo.
Escamis. Lazarte for 3. Lazarte, no. Castillo with the board. Castillo, natapigan. Escamis. Here comes Clint. Clint. Basket plus the foul. And that might reignite something in the former rookie MVP and last year's finals MVP.
Iba talaga ang veteran. Talaga alam niya kung saan niya kukunin yung puntos niya eh.
The Generals. Isaac Logan for the Cardinals.
Pero ngayon naman, I think it's the turn of Mapua Cardinals para mag-zone press from a free throw. Yan. Yan the best time para ka mag-zone press eh.
Four points already today for Escamis. Make that 5 after that free throw. Kalangan seeing extended minutes here today. Getting his second start para sa Mapua. And Kalangan comes up with that tip that leads to this fast break. Kalangan started that.
Yes, alam mo, Kalangan, mahasel talaga to kahit sa juniors pa lang eh. Makita mo, makulit.
Pasa muna natin kay Flo Del Agua.
Gentlemen, as you've mentioned earlier, alarming is the word to describe the situation of the Mapua Cardinals as of late because of their standings. But do you ever notice that Cyril Gonzalez has been consistent regardless and ever since? Actually, as we speak, he's the leading scorer of the squad, averaging 11.29 points per game despite being a rookie in the team. When I spoke to Cyril before this game, his first words to me were, being in Mapua is a proof that I can take risks. I came here to be the man that they need. If the team needs a passer, a scorer, or a defender, kahit ano pa yan, kaya kong ibigay. Although he's resting on the bench now, later in this game, will this risk taker lead this team to a win? We'll find out. For now, back to you guys.
Cyril Gonzalez is the leading scorer of Mapua, so that's a check on what he said. Na kung kailangan nyo ako na umiscore, I can do that. So Cyril is living up to his word in his return to Mapua. Escamis and Clint Escamis with another opportunity for the continuation and the three-point play. Kalangan to Escamis. And here comes Escamis. Just willing that ball through the hoop.
Kay Jamal Crawford ko na lang nakikita yung ganung atake. Pero it's all Escamis show, ha? Talagang with the support also of Concepcion.
Escamis missing on the bonus. Escamis right now has more points than minutes. 9 points in 8 minutes. Started the game 0 for 3. Since then, has not missed. 3 for 3 for the former rookie MVP. And Coach, when Clint Escamis is himself, Mapua's a championship caliber squad.
Yes. Ton, talagang pag si Escamis is on a roll, mahirap talaga pigilan. And mahirap, hindi mo rin talaga siya, kailangan mo ng tulong para ma-stop mo si Escamis. You can limit him, you can limit his scoring, pero kung para ma-stopin, mahirapan.
Tolentino, nice finish with the left hand. Concepcion. Igliane. Nitura to Escamis. Escamis on the move. Concepcion to Clint. And that's traveling on Escamis. Igliane doing a good job here.
Oh, another veteran guy din ito para kay Coach Randy Alcantara. Igliane.
6 points and 3 rebounds for the starting center of the Cardinals.
Dadali si Kalangan doon sa give and go. You have to get off your man eh. The moment the ball is being passed already, kailangan jump to the ball ka. Kung hindi, kunin ka dyan sa mga UCLA Cup.
Doria, Tolentino. Kakasabi mo lang, Coach. And Concepcion with the block. Here comes Escamis. Escamis is gone.
Tinignan pa. Sasabay si Shanoda. Escamis, oh. Hirap pigilin talaga siya sa open court.
Kinal misses. Nitura to Concepcion. Kalangan bumitin sa ere, and I see Kalangan will head to the line for 2.
Smart move para kay Kalangan. Alam niyang medyo bad shot na eh. Nakakuha pa ng foul.
The block by Concepcion leads to the open court attack by Clint Escamis. Catch me if you can. Kalangan, a champion player in the juniors division with the Perpetual Junior Altas.
And you can see yung confidence na binibigay sa kanya for a rookie. Napaka-importante yan. Sa guard, para sa guard.
Lucero. Shanoda. Lucero on the attack. Lucero. Bakun. And Bakun scores. Coach Randy Alcantara wants to talk things over. His team is up by 6. Ladies are here at the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City, enjoying this matchup between EAC and Mapua. Enjoying the lights, enjoying the air conditioning. Very comfortable here inside this state-of-the-art facility in Pasay City. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, whether it is here in the Philippines or somewhere around the world. Thank you so much for tuning in on NCAA Philippines. Gonzalez, Escamis, Nitura, Recto, and Concepcion now on the floor at the same time.
Medyo tinanggal ng Mapua yung big man nila ngayon. Medyo parang maliit ang big man nila, si Recto. So, tinitignan nila more on flexibility sa offense.
Nitura, drop pass, Recto. Concepcion, another offensive rebound. Concepcion falls on his own teammate. Ito yung malalim na tira ni Recto. Offensive rebound kay Yam. Kaya lang, nandudot pa rin si JC.
Yes. Sa rebound, no? Mahaba. Athletic.
Concepcion good on the first. Coach Randy Alcantara looks on.
Tsaka alam ni Coach Randy kung ano yung advantage niya over the other teams, na talagang meron siyang mga wings na mga two-way wing who can defend, who can score.
Ginal. Lucero. Lucero. Shanoda. Doria. Put back is good for Doria.
Another hustle play coming from Doria. Ano rin yan sa juniors. Medyo maganda din maglaro ito nung nasa juniors to.
Concepcion. 9 on the shot clock. Escamis on the attack. Escamis buminin sa ere. No foul called. Here come the Generals. Ginal to Doria. Doria to Lucero. Lucero to Ginal for 3. And Nico Quinal drains his first triple of the game.
Ganda na ikot ng bola ng
Generals.
Oh.
And they come up with a steal.
Medyo tentative sila dito ngayon sa stage ng itong nilalaro ng Cardinals.
Oh, Bakod with a rebound. Yun na. He had to work for that. Doria did. At eto naman yung tira ng captain ng EAC na si Nico Quinal. Lucero sneaking through the baseline for that lay-in.
Isang blow by move from Lucero. Talagang medyo na baseline drive siya doon.
De Los Reyes, and De Los Reyes will head to the line for two.
It's a bully move. Wow.
There's the blow by Lucero. Well, if you're 6'8", coach, and you've got a height and weight advantage, you have to be a bully in that paint.
Yes, one step is it's a plus factor yan Lalo na with this step, kung meron ka mga move na mga drop step, ang laking advantage yon sa kanya.
Drex De Los Reyes had that dunk earlier. Oh, he misses both. Lucero. Shanoda. Lucero. Lucero. Errant pass. Gonzalez. Gonzalez! Pinoy step. But missing the finish. Doria susubok mula sa labas. And EAC reclaims the lead.
May tira yan Doria na yan. Nakita mo, mahaba ang pasensya. Kahit hindi siya pinapasahan masyado. Pero he knows how to help his teammates.
De Los Reyes to sa pass-up. Recto. Fouled by Quinal. That's going to be 2 free throws for JC Recto.
Substitution.
Coach Gerson Cabintes calls a timeout. When we come back, JC Recto will shoot too. We have the daughter of the Sultan of Sats, Pom Ducanes, Tiana Ducanes. Yung mga chikiting nandito, Coach Jerry.
Yes, I'm sure tontuwa sila sa mga games natin ngayon.
Na behave ang mga bata.
Dumadami ngayon ang mga pwedeng bunutin ni Coach Gerson. Meron ka ng Doria ngayon.
Coach Gerson has used 14 players on his roster. Now, in contrast to that, si Coach Randy Alcantara has used only 11. And I actually don't see Joe Gulapa on the bench right now for the Cardinals.
Yes, medyo short rotation si Coach Randy. Solid yung mga first 8 players niya.
Recto with a chance to tie. Tabla tayo, 40 all.
Talagang pagka ginamit sa yung 2-2-1, 1-2-2, it slows you down eh. Kung ikaw, you're a fast-breaking team.
Shanoda. Shanoda floater is good.
It's a top shot, ha? Banda na medyo kinontes pa siya.
Balikan lamang sa EAC. Recto downhill.
Talagang favorite spot niya yan ni Recto. Yung middle attack, rim run.
Hirap na tira, coach. Recto was all over Shanoda.
Yes, so yan ang mga tira na mga kailangan. It's a must para sa isang wing.
Shanoda with a block, but the referee called the foul. Shanoda not liking that call. Well, let's review it. Ooh.
Oh, yes.
Look clean.
Medyo close call. Kasi medyo na off balance eh. Yung tira ni Gonzalez. It's a good block, kaso lang. Medyo na off balance.
Maybe the referee saw some contact in the body. But definitely upstairs, coach, that was clean.
Yes.
Gonzalez good on the first.
It's a battle of zone presses eh. Kung sino yung pinakamas makaka-atake, makakapuntos dito. If they can make it give up yung zone press na yon, ayan ang I think ang mas better chance manalo.
42 all. Villarente. Doria. Doria. Up and under. Omandak with the board.
At this stage, kailangan rin ni Omandak ng touches eh. Kailangan ma-involve siya sa offense.
Cyril almost a steal, and yes, he completes the steal, or rather, deflecting the pass and hit the leg of Villarente. Kaya naman bola nasa Mapua ngayon. Cyrus Cuenco still scoreless in this game. In the last game, he was 0 for 11 from three-point land as Gonzalez scores.
Talagang ganun ang tira pala ni Gonzalez eh. Talagang sanay siya sa mga ganun awkward shot, mga one-hand shot.
Ryan Angeles for Anatolia. Bonus free throw for Cyril Gonzalez.
Gonzalez. 4 points right now for Mapua's leading scorer. Gonzalez averaging 11.3 points for the season. Recto. Oh, Villarente with a steal. Villarente all the way.
May mga magic bonus si Coach Gerson eh. Villarente after siguro hindi masyado lumaro to sa first quarter.
Sapasap, give and go.
Yan, medyo dito sa zone press ng EAC Generals, medyo yung weak side rotation nila, medyo mabagal.
Edward Ryan, who has been lost in the rotation of Coach Randy, is making an impact right now with an assist and a rebound. Sapasap, atake, Sapasap, finishing with the left hand, and now the Cardinals are on a run.
Galing talaga si mahusay yung sa pasa.
Villarente. Bagay. Kinal. Floater para kay Kinal. Rebound sa pass-up. Ryan. Cuenco. Will Cuenco get his first basket? Cyrus Cuenco. Wala pa rin. Here come the Generals. Angeles. Angeles navigating his way through traffic. Sumobra. Gonzalez, one man to beat. Gonzalez kontra Omandak. Parang bumangga sa pader. Panibagong pagkakataon para sa Mapua. Gonzalez has to shoot. Gonzalez. Oh, Mapua runs out of time. I'm not sure if he knew na paubos na yung oras. That was when he passed that shot. Naubos na. Masyado nang masikip. So, at the end of the first half, the score is 48 for Mapua, 44 for EAC.